Laboratory. We're here to talk about some more features of the LP 62410 guitar. 6 strings, 2 pickups, and 4 coils and 10 different configuration settings. This is the third installment here, and we're going to go over, like last time we went over all the coil configurations, we're going to go over the tone configurations. Well, first I want to show you something. Kind of give you a clue to the secrets and the madness behind Greasy Fingers Laboratories. So I'm going to take the bridge pickup, the neck pickup, and I'm going to put it into what we call classic mode. I'm going to tap the coils here. They're hard to get because the string's in the way, but you can hear that they're the same. Now, when we go into the greasy finger mode, when I close the pot all the way down, you're going to hear something different. You hear how this is lower, and that's a higher frequency. That's because of what's going on inside of the electronics. Greasy Fingers Laboratory has a patent on this. It's actually the electronics able to pull this off. So that gives you some of the different capabilities this guitar can do that no other guitar can really actually accomplish. So I'm going to close the pots down, and then we're going to, let's start in the bridge mode here. And the bridge mode does the same thing. If you tapped on this one, it's in greasy finger mode, you hear this is lower, this coil's lower than this coil is. And in the middle, they're the same. So here's with them both inside the greasy finger mode. So now we're going to take the bridge pickup, because if you notice that the switch is all the way up, that this knob on top is also the tone control for the bridge pickup. So I'm going to move that into your classic setting. And you can hear how the tone has changed because the 2 coils now are set so they're getting fed the same sort of signal. The electronics are not changing it. Now, an additional feature that you have with this is that I can open this thing all the way up and I can introduce some overdrive into this. So again, we're just working on the bridge pickup, but now we got overdrive because this pot on top is now open all the way, clockwise, all the way. Breakup going on, and that's just the guitar. There's no amps doing anything to this. So now let's move to the neck pickup. Now I have it in greasy finger mode, which is the potentiometer is closed all the way, so it's all the way counterclockwise, and it sounds like this. And you can hear the difference between your neck and your bridge pickup. The neck pickup seems to have a little more warmth to it, where this has a little more brightness. Now, again, with the bigger knob that's on the bottom, that controls your neck pickup. So that's going to give you the more classic humbucker sound. And again, if I take this pot on the bottom, which is your neck pickup tone control, now we introduce some overdrive. So you can hear how the guitar is introducing some breakup into the signal. And again, that's nothing to do with the amp. You saw I have not touched anything. So now, that's with either or of these 2 pickups. Now, we're going to move the switch to the middle, which of course is going to make both pickups run. So I'm going to take both pickups, put them both into the GF mode, and it's going to sound like this. Now we're going to move the bridge pickup to the middle position. So classic tone here, GF tone here. And so now we'll take the bridge tone control for that pickup, open it all the way up, and we're going to introduce that overdrive that we heard earlier. And we still have this in GF mode with the neck pickup. So now I'm going to close that all the way down. So this is now back into GF mode. I'm going to put this in the middle, so our neck pickup is now in classic mode, and this neck bridge pickup is in GF mode. Now I've moved the bridge pickup into classic mode as well, so they're both in classic mode now. And now we'll open the bridge pickup all the way up, so we got overdrive, and this is still in the classic mode. Close this pickup all the way down back into GF mode, so counterclockwise, potentiometer all the way closed, depending on how you want to describe what's going on there. And I'm going to move the neck pickup into the overdrive mode. So overdrive here, GF here. Take our bridge pickup, move it to the middle, and what we're going to get is classic tone here, overdrive here. Okay, and then for our final setting of the night, we're going to open the bridge pickups pot all the way, and of course this one is already all the way open, so both of them are in overdrive setting now. So that gives you all the different tone settings that you could have. Now you can do it with the different coil settings that we've done as well. Depending on how you have it set will determine just how much it affects it.